guys, it's SumerStrawbree, and I'm black, brown, and beautiful. I'm a winner, I'm a leader, and I am fearless. And for today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to download the 5 basic starter brush set for Procreate. First, you have to go to my website, SumerStrawbree.com. From there, you'll be on the home page, but now we have to go to the products page. And then from there, it will say digital brushes. And then you have to click the 5 starter brush set for Procreate. And then from there, you have to buy the brush set, which is $2.99. And once you enter all your information for payment, you have to click continue to payment. And then from there, it'll take you to another screen where it says complete order. Then you click on that. And then it says your order is being processed. And then it has a little loading screen. Then it says thank you. And it says preparing your downloads, and you have to wait a little bit. It only takes a few seconds. Button. And it says download now, and then you click on that, and then it'll send you an email with all your information to download the brushes. And it says your downloads are ready, and then it'll have a blue download link, which you click on that, and then it'll take you to the website again, and it says download now, and then it comes with another screen and it says download to make sure. And then on the top right hand corner, it'll have a little download button, and then you click on that, and it'll have a zip file on it. And it'll say SumerStrawbree's basic brush set. And then you click on that, and then it'll take you to files, and then from there you click recents, and it's on your left side of the screen. Click on that zip, and it'll go in a folder, into a blue folder, and then you click on that folder, and then it'll have basic starter brush set. Then you click on that set, it'll have all the brushes in there. So the sharp line art brush, the smooth, soft brush, the color brush set, the skin blush brush set, and the stiff line art brush set. And then for a bonus, there will be a sketching pencil included. It has a nice, cool texture on it, and this is the brush that I use for all my line art. And the thing that I like about this brush is that it has a nice, sharp thing at the end. You can also make different shapes like polygons, quadrilaterals, squares, circles, ellipses. So I will show you how to make those shapes. So first, you could just make a circle, and then you have to hold it with your Apple Pencil. And to make a circle, you have to hold the screen with your finger, and it will automatically turn into a circle. And then you can also click Edit Shape, and it will have an ellipse or a circle to choose from. And you could click Circle, or you could click Ellipse. And then to make a square, you can make a square shape at first, but then you have to hold the screen with your Apple Pencil. Then it says rectangle created, and then there's all these different types of options that you have. And it says rectangle, square, quadrilateral, polyline, ellipse. So you can click on any of these and it'll change into that shape. And then for my second brush, it's the soft smoothing brush, and that one has smooth blending. So I use this brush for blending, and I use it for the skin details, all stuff like that. And then I also have the color brush set, which I use for coloring, for like a base for my drawings. And this one isn't stiff because it's easier to like move around the line art. And then for the next one, it's a skin blush brush set, and this one I use for blush and all the details on the skin. And this one is really cool and has a nice soft line around it. And then for my next brush, it's a stiff line art brush set, and this one I use sometimes for the line art to help assist, make it nice and smooth and long. And this one has like a rounder edge. And now for the bonus. This one is the sketching pencil, and I use this pencil for all of my drawings. And this one, it has a nice texture to it, like a paper texture, so it feels nice like paper. And then it also has a smooth edge around it too as well. And then you can also sketch a little bit, like make a circle, and it has a cool texture around it. And thank you for watching. And I'm black, brown, beautiful. I'm a winner, I'm a leader, and I'm fearless. And I hope you have a good day, and I hope this video was useful for you. Bye.